Welcome to this Monk Pick-to-Light Assembly System Explainer video. The Pick-to-Light Assembly System optimizes your picking and assembly stations, increasing picking accuracy, speeding up picking operations, and simplifying training, resulting in constant, efficient assembly of your products. In this video, we will outline the process of our system to demonstrate the simplicity which it offers. To get started, the operator will select the assembly type and the quantity to assemble in the batch. Now, the picking process begins. The operator should pick the first parts from the green lit bin. The number of parts to pick is shown on the screen and is indicated by the number of white LEDs below the bin. Automatically, the system recognizes when a pick has been made and a green light deactivates. To begin our demo assembly, a second part is needed. So, the next picking location immediately illuminates in green. The two white LEDs below the bin signal that two parts should be picked from this bin. The operator picks the parts, and the system recognizes the pick, deactivating the green light. If the operator picks from an incorrect bin, the entire system will light up in red, clearly informing the operator of the error. With the parts at hand, assembly can now start. Once this stage of assembly is complete, the next green bin is already indicating the next location. This process will repeat until either the assembly is complete or a virtual location is required. A virtual location is another picking location outside of the coverage of the pick lights. The location and part number is described on the interface screen. The operator reads the location information, then finds the part and brings it back to be used in the assembly. Once this part has joined the assembly, the picking process can continue to repeat until the assembly is complete. The Pick-to-Light assembly system has many great features which makes it unique and instinctive. The HMI allows for intuitive interfacing with the system. On the display, a 3D real-time mimic of the system is shown, allowing for easy troubleshooting and minimizing downtime. Each operator can have a login, which can allow for tracking of performance and tailoring the available assembly lists according to their skill level. The menu system allows for operators to easily find the assembly that they need to pick. This can be tailored to each customer's needs. The size, layout, and software can all be adapted to each bespoke build to fit your needs. To further automate a larger system, conveyors can be integrated with the assembly station to bring in or take away products. For a fully customizable, reliable, elegant system for picking and assembly, Pick-to-Light is the way forwards. Please get in touch with us at Monk to discuss your needs and our solutions.